Hello, and welcome to the introduction of the Bloomreach Experience Manager, also known as brXM. In this set of videos, you will learn the basics and even some advanced features of the content application. For these demo videos, we will use a simple brXM installation that has a few demo features installed. This resembles the very basic core of most brXM installations. There is a website that shows pages with content, and brXM is used to edit this content. You are currently seeing the sample website that we will be working with. It has a homepage, events, news, and content sections with an overview page and detail pages. The styling of this demo site is very basic with a Twitter Bootstrap theme. But of course, you can build far more elaborate sites with brXM, and many of our customers do. However, let's keep it simple for this introductory course. In the next videos, you will be familiarized with the basics of content editing that will help you to easier navigate within the tool. Furthermore, you will understand the roles, groups, and privileges that can be assigned in your team, and learn more about some of the advanced features that can instantly integrate into your brXM. Please enjoy watching.